this video, we reply to comments and questions. This video has only audio, no slide. So, relax and hear the answer of your questions from us. We have got 10 questions, 5 on public and 5 privately. Public comments from Sveriyar, Ramavtar Gola, Shantanu Deshmukh, Srinivas K. and 5 questions on email. First comment from Sveriyar. Sveriyar, thanks for your comment. Sveriyar comment was: in reality, true population of many Muslim majority countries is much less than official figures. On our video, in which we said, in 2015, the worldwide followers of Islam were double than Hinduism. In 2015, the followers of Islam were 24 to 25% and the followers of Hinduism were 15%. Sveriyar, we have not given any population statistics. We have taken this from think tank, Fact Tank, who conducted study on world religion followers or converted to Islam in total. Number of people who follow which religion. You know think tank Fact Tank, who they are. This was conducted by Christian or Jewish company to know which religion has more followers. So, Swarya, we had answered your comment. Second comment from Ramavtar Gola. Ramavtar Gola, thanks for your comment. His comment was: Kalyug 5123 years has passed. And he also made second comment. In Surya Siddhant, 9 types of years has been mentioned. Who do not know this cannot calculate how many years of Kalyug passed. Ramavtar Gola, thanks for your comment. Our answer is: this claim is made by one of our authors. It is big research paper of 100-200 pages. But now he will be rewriting it and submit. He has taken 9 different types of Surya Siddhant, other Vedic scriptures also, and many things, which making it even 200 pages book. I hope he will get published by March-April 2022. Ramavtar Gola, thanks for your comment. Third and fourth comment from Shantanu Deshmukh and Srinivas K. Which year will Kalki Avatar come appear? We had said media appearance may be in 2022, newspaper or television headlines, but not as Kalki, but as emerging leader, powerful person. Showing of immense knowledge, strength, wisdom is not one-time YouTube event or newspaper or television event, it has to be since birth. Whether Avatar is 10-year or 36-year or 50 or 40, people who had lived with him, worked with him or knows him, would had felt it. So many in his would had felt he is Kalki or very high power. So now question comes from our side. Will you recognize Avatar always make feel extraordinary strength, high intelligence, high power. People definitely will feel it. Kalki Avatar will also work in this manner. Kalki Avatar will not say I am Kalki or Messiah. Also, now if our prediction goes wrong, no one came in 2022. It will be too late for India. Not only India, whole world, even demons want Kalki Avatar to appear. Now email questions. First question was, will Kalki will first live as Lord Krishna, then he will become Kalki. Kalki will only live as Kalki. Kalki will not live as Lord Krishna. You can see our answer in video part 5. Kalki Avatar will be knowing he is Kalki. Listen again. Kalki will only live as Kalki. Kalki Avatar will be knowing he is Kalki. Second question, will Kalki act like some foolish or insane to hide himself? We had answered this also in video part 5. Kalki will not delay in his mission. Kalki always will be in his mission. So Kalki cannot knowingly act again and again as foolish insane person. The person who told you this is fraud. Kalki always will be in his mission. When he reached the peak, television, newspapers will cover it. And Kalki will not reach it at age of 18 but at the age of 36 or 40 or 50 or 55. Third question. Is Kalki same as Lucifer and Lucifer is Vishnu? No, Lucifer is totally different from Vishnu. Kalki will have to fight with Lucifer or slay Lucifer. Lucifer wants souls for it. Lucifer helps them so that they can give Lucifer your soul. Lucifer is demonic, very strong power. On Lucifer, we may make other video in 2022. Fourth question, our Guruji is saying they will leave claiming Kalki if some questions are answered. Kalki is not you can claim or you can leave claiming Kalki. In our first part, we had said, Avatar is not a joke. Hindus are taught cool side of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu is not a joke. Fifth question, what will Kalki do on appearing? Kalki will not say, I am Kalk, I am Messiah. We will make video on it. But when the powerful person shows, appears in 2022, many such will be jealous or had started throwing telekinesis attack or spirits. Now only, they may be even go mad. Okay, so we answered your questions. If you have more comments or questions, you can write publicly or privately on our email ID. Thanks for listening.